The following program is brought to you in part by Whirlpool.
Hi, I'm Danny Reeves with First to the Future TV here at 2019 International Builders Show, and I am in the very futuristic booth of Panasonic here with Jim.
Yes. Hey, good morning. Glad to be with you.
Now, I feel like I'm on the set of Star Trek.
Well, our theme is Star Trek Beyond, because we are really looking to really evolve the entire indoor air quality industry. So that was kind of our theme, is Star Trek Beyond.
Well, I love it.
Yeah.
It looks amazing in here.
Thank you.
And Panasonic is notorious for bringing the first to the future to all the home builders and homeowners.
Yeah, I think 25 years ago, we really revolutionized ventilation with the introduction of our whisper quiet, highly energy efficient fans. And really now 25 years later, we're ready to really revolutionize once again, but now let's really focus on not just ventilation, but indoor air quality.
Exactly. Now, is this what we have right behind us?
Yeah, this is really the system that we feel is going to be the evolution, the next stage, and really a healthy home indoor air quality. Ventilation's always been one part of that, but there needs to be more when you look at really indoor air quality. Purification, filtration, fresh air. It's not just ventilation. So Cosmos is our new healthy home indoor air quality system, smart system, utilizing IoT technology that we're going to be launching this year, that we think really moves the whole industry into smart indoor air quality.
Jim, tell me how this works, because I don't really see, it looks so easy here,
Yeah.
but there's so much technology behind this.
That's true. And we're trying to have a simple representation, but this would be basically Cosmos would be out throughout your entire house. But kind of the main components of Cosmos is, for one, is kind of the senses of the home, which is our indoor air quality monitor. We have a partnership with Fubot, and then that's our indoor air quality sensor. So it's going to be monitoring the house, looking for any issues that might come up throughout the house with poor indoor air quality. And then the other big component is really the Cosmos Control Center, where the indoor air quality monitor can communicate with the control center and then make sure that it's addressing whatever problem there is with the ventilation system. So the control center is actually controlling all your ventilation fans in your house, whether it be in your bathroom, your laundry room. All the ventilation fans in your house are being communicating with this system and controlled. We have a small kitchen range hood here, so now your kitchen ventilation is also part of the system. So if there's any issues going on in your kitchen, you started cooking, you didn't turn on the range hood, you didn't run the range hood long enough, but so it could turn it on, turn it off, run it up. It can also change the speeds of the fans, and then we can also get into not just exhaust, but we also can deliver a balanced system with fresh air. Whether it be, this is our filtered fresh air supply fan, our Whisper Fresh Select, but it also could be an energy recovery ventilator. So now you have a very smart, balanced system that's addressing, whether we need to bring fresh air in, we need to exhaust something out of the house, or we just need to clean up the air that's in the house, all being done within Cosmos.
That's really amazing, Jim. Now, you were telling us earlier that you like to be considered a healthy home. What does that mean to Panasonic?
Well, when we look at healthy home, we look at that really is from our research the number one concern that homeowners have today. And a healthy home can be a lot of different things, but the number one component is indoor air quality. Having a home that has proper indoor air quality, and you look at today's construction, it's moving to being built tighter and tighter and tighter. And you hear people in the industry say, build tight, ventilate right. So this, I think, Cosmos is really taking it to that next extreme. When you're building these zero energy, very, very tight homes, that indoor air quality becomes more of a concern. I mean, in the past, with an old leaky home, it wasn't very energy efficient, but your indoor air quality was good because fresh air was just infiltrating in and out. So I think we as an industry, the more high performance building we go, the more indoor air quality is going to be important, and that's going to be the main component of a healthy home.
Now, I have 2 kids in my home. If I don't have the Panasonic in my home, what am I seeing in my air?
Well, I mean, that's a really good question, and that's where we would encourage you to maybe just get an indoor air quality monitor. We'll be offering that as a service where you could just buy the monitor and basically let it run in your house and do an analysis, and then we can take a look at what it did see. Did it see high humidity levels? Did it see high particulate matter? What did it see? And then we can tailor and customize Cosmos to make sure your children are having a healthy, clean home to live in.
That's definitely something that I want to look into. Speaking with you today, we have so much valuable information here that I think everybody really needs to know. And you guys are actually in our First to the Future home in Florida as well, so that's really exciting.
Yes, very excited. We're always excited to work with you, and be your cutting edge technology and always looking for a better way. And I think we all need to look at delivering not just energy efficiency anymore, but actually delivering healthy homes.
I agree. Tell us what's next for Panasonic.
Well, what's next for us is really expanding this system. We really want to move from indoor air quality to indoor environmental quality.
Okay.
So we want to be able to add air conditioning, heating and cooling for comfort, address lighting, basically that whole indoor environment, and make sure that it's a healthy, comfortable, clean place for families to live in.
Jim, we can't wait to see what's next for Panasonic. We're huge fans, as you already know.
Well,
thank you for having us.
Thank you so much
today.
for your time. Thank you.
And you're watching First to the Future TV right here in the fabulous city of Las Vegas at IBS 2019.